We have updated, friends.
Good gadget.
We have bought a chopper from online to decrease our work. You know the problems of bachelor's life, right? It's very hard to cut onions every time. Not set. Okay.
ఒరే అట్లా అప్పట్లో డైరెక్ట్ పడిపోయేది కదా.
No. We have to set it.
ఇట్లా పట్టుకోండి.
So you can keep it here. I think it's okay. The size is okay.
వావ్.
Best roughly chopped onions.
అరే మస్తు ఉన్నాయిరా ఇవి. మెస్లో పెట్టేలాగా వచ్చినాయిరా.
ఇంకా చాలా చిన్నవి. పానీపూరి అయినట్టు.
See, we can see how thin the onion slices are. Efficiently chopped.
ఒరే దారుణ షార్ప్ ఉన్నాయిరా.
You can also buy that.
మళ్ళా కళ్ళకత్తే.
అది ఇద్దాం రాజుల్లా. మామూలుగా అది ఆనియన్ ఉల్లిగడ్డ.
మా ఇంటికాడ 5 రూపీస్కే వచ్చేది ఉల్లిగడ్డలు ఉల్లాకులు. ముందే ఇంటి ముందే ఉంటుంది అంటే
Onion
రూపాయలు
leaves.
పట్టుకొని ఇచ్చేది 10 రూపాయలే.
These are onion leaves.
Spring onion.
Spring onions. Bought it for 10 rupees.
వాయిస్ ఓవర్ ఇస్తాను
తెలుగు. చూడండి కొత్తిమీర కట్ చేస్తున్నాము. మంచిగా మీరు కూడా మంచి ఫ్రెష్ కొత్తిమీర తెచ్చుకోండి. మరి అంతే కొద్దిగా ఆర్డర్ పెట్టాము మేము ఆన్లైన్ స్టోర్ నుంచి, కాబట్టి అంత కొంచెం డర్టీ ఉంది. మంచి కడుక్కొని ఫ్రెష్ది వేసుకోండి. మా ఇండక్షన్ మేము ప్రెస్టీజ్ వాడుతున్నాము. మీలో ఎంతమంది ప్రెస్టీజ్ వాడుతున్నారో కామెంట్ చేయండి. మా సామాన్లన్నీ బయటకు వస్తున్నాయి చిన్నగా. చూడండి మంచిగా ఇంట్లో నుంచి ప్యాకెట్స్ అంటే ప్యాక్ చేసుకొని తీసుకొని వచ్చాము. చూడండి ఇది అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. కారం, ఇంకో కారం, 2 types ఆఫ్ కారాలు ఇవి. చూసినట్లయితే పసుపు కూడా ఉన్నాయి. ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి ఐటమ్స్. ఇంటి దగ్గర తెచ్చుకున్నాము. హాస్టల్లో దొరకవు కానీ అన్ని ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ బదులు పేరెంట్స్ ఇంకా తీసుకెళ్ళండి ఏముంది మంచి అందులో కెమికల్స్ అవి ఇవి యూజ్ చేస్తారు అంటే మేము తీసుకొచ్చాము. చూడండి మా మొత్తం సామాన్లు గజిబిజి ఉంది, తెలుసు కదండి. ఇంకా బ్యాచిలర్స్ అంతే ఉంటారు. ఇండక్షన్ pouring oil for a few minutes to let the oil heat. So we are using induction. So for a few minutes to let the oil heat. So we are using induction. So we are adding onion and spring roll. Stir it well, adding some oil. comment below if any recipes you want us to try, so we will try them and make a video about that. Okay. See, the waves are coming up. Because of using a chopper, all the onions are of the perfect shape, the same shape. And making it a small size cooks it faster and cooks it better. You should also use chopper because it will be efficient and time. It will take less time. Right now we are about to add some pepper to it. Stir it well after adding the pepper. See, the onions are boiling or firing. See, we are cooking at 240 degrees Celsius, and there are different options induction. Tell me how many options are there in your induction if you are using a different induction. See, we all kept our ingredients near to us so that it will be very easy to add it when the time comes. So the flames. Right now we are adding some curry leaves. So curry leaves are good for your eyes and skin and also hair. So please add the curry leaves in every dish you will cook. Okay, this will definitely help your eyes, skin and also hair. So definitely use curry leaves. It will just take 10 rupees I think to buy curry leaves, or you can also search for a curry leaf tree near your home. Means we have ordered it from Zepto, which costs 20 rupees. So you should also definitely online from order from online or anywhere else. Because we are using the screen a lot of time nowadays, and a lot of students are using the mobile phones or laptops for a long period of time, so that it will affect your eyes. it heat until the onions become brown color. Stir well at regular interval. Because it is an induction, it will heat up the bottom point the most and somewhat less at the upper side of the vessels. Comment how many of you are watching in English and how many are watching in Telugu, so that we can change our language to that specific language.
Spring onion leaves
We are adding some spring onion leaves
and coriander stems.
and coriander stems.
This will enhance the flavor of the curry.
You don't know, right? He is our chef, the best chef I have ever witnessed. He will cook us dishes very well, and he cooks every dish, every dish perfectly with all the tastes good. Sometimes it may go wrong because due to induction or the vessels we have. You know, right, in college we will have very limited utensil source and also many things. So in that also he cooks very well. It tastes very good.
Now I am adding ginger garlic paste. You can add 1 to 2 tablespoons.
See, our cook is cooking in a special way, like it's a style. Pushpa.
Pushpa style.
Now
Add a teaspoon of turmeric.
turmeric also enhances your skin's health, so add it. If you add some more, I think there will be no problem. But what about the taste, Kaushal? Will it be changed or turns into a bitter taste or not?
If you add more turmeric, it changes the flavor of the curry, and it moreover it tends to bitter taste.
Okay, add up to certain limit, that's all. Don't pour so much turmeric for healthiness.
Now I am lowering the heat.
Lowering the heat because the onions are well fried.
And now it's time to add eggs.
It's time to add eggs. See how beautiful. I very well like the how eggs are beaten down, and see, now we will add 10 eggs one by one, and also decreasing the heat because we are adding somewhat slowly. Some cinematic shots we are trying. increase your heat and see, it is becoming a thick layer where it is directly boiling, directly getting heat with the utensil.
Close the lid and leave it for 2 minutes till the egg boils partially.
Okay. Adding some pepper to it. See how is it? It is pleasant to see.
Indra.
Yeah.
Flip
Please.
the eggs and again rest it for 2 minutes. Flip the eggs.
It is beautiful to watch.
Cook for 2 more minutes.
It is making a roar sound. Again, wait for some time until all the part of the egg gets
Boils perfectly. Now make the eggs into small pieces.
as how much is comfortable with you. If you want large pieces, and you can have it like that. If you want small, you can break it down. So we are cooking at 130. Water is coming, so we are moving the camera back. I think it has a good view to watch. Make all the parts into.
Change the flame to low to medium and now add chili powder.
See the style of our chef. Add as much as you want according to your chili powder. If it is very spicy, then add a little bit. If it is less spicy and more color, and you can add it according to your taste. If you want it more spicy, you should add more. See, suddenly the color, the view of our curry changed to excellent. Now we are adding.
Now add some coriander powder, 1 teaspoon to 1.5 teaspoon. garam masala as per your taste. This is optional. If you want to eat spicy, you can eat.
And normally Telangana people will eat spicy. That's why we are adding it.
And add salt as per your taste.
See, it is looking delicious. Should also look after the small things over the walls of the utensil. See how beautiful it is looking. It is like how exactly my mom cooks. See the color also, the everything. It is like it is made in the home. That's why we all like.
Squeeze a lemon if you want lime flavor. Add the coriander.
See how it is looking beautiful, right? Isn't it? Okay, I think I got the thumbnail.
Close the lid and cook for 2 minutes on low flame so that the masalas all get attached to the egg.
So it tastes very good. So how much time remaining, Kaushal?
We are wrapped up, only 2 minutes left to complete the recipe.
Having it, guys. It tastes very good. We will take rice from our hostel mess. We are eating it with rice now. It's so good, damn delicious. You should also definitely try this egg fry. Thank you, bye.